get out of the water for some ice cream. Yay! Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Ice cream! Okay, you guys all love ice cream. I know that. Okay, shut up. Lucy, you seem to love ice cream. Yep, I do. I love ice cream. Okay, guys. Uncle Ernesto's here if you guys want to go say hi to him. Uncle Ernesto's here? Yeah, look behind you. Oh. Uncle Ernesto, you want to come over here? Sure. Hi, kids. How are you? We're good. So what are you guys doing today? We're just playing around in the water and having fun learning to swim. Cool. Alright, I'm going to talk to your mom if you guys want to go back in. Okay. Okay. So, how are you? I'm good. How are the kids? They're good. Breaking news. Today, they just found a 50-foot cat in the neighborhood. So, near the beach, there is big gates. The cat cannot jump them, but beware. They're silly little things all the time that I don't believe. Okay, so how are you? We're good. So what you been up to? Nothing much. You're taking the kids everywhere. Wow, yeah, that's how we are too. We're just going, our family's just everywhere all the time. Hey kids, you guys want to come down and play in the sand? Sure, Mom. Bringing the balls and all the stuff back in though. I want to bring my sister down. Everybody, come on in. Okay, guys, you can go play in the sand. Mom, can I get some water? Sure. So, doom, doom, boom. Uh-oh, that's the sound of the 50-foot cat. Sounds like the 50-foot cat. Boom, 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 boom. Dun dun dun. I'm hurt. I'm calling 911. I'm calling 911. Can you go on in? Anybody else hurt? We're all fine. Everybody's okay? Yeah. Yeah, 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 yes, yes, yes. Ribbit. Yes.